Well, I'm typically talking about camera gear, but today we are talking about pants. Well, hey, what's up? My name is Tony, and I am a filmmaker photographer in the St. Louis area. Whether I am riding my motorcycle down a mountain pass, or I am filming a Jeep festival in southern Missouri, capturing a wedding on top of a mountain in Colorado, or hiking in the Black Hills, I am constantly pushing all of my gear to the limit, including my clothes. Well, a small family-owned business on the East Coast named Packsture reached out to me about trying out some of their pants that they are releasing on a Kickstarter very soon, so that I can share with you what my thoughts are. And so they sent me a new pair of pants that they are doing a Kickstarter for, and I just wanted to share with you some of my thoughts about the Mogador pants. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I'm not sure. But anyways, these pants come in 4 different colors. They come in black, navy, gray, and then like a khaki. And the thing that makes them very unique and nice is they are both waterproof and breathable. The way that they achieve the comfort and the ruggability is they're using a new fabric that most pants aren't made out of, which is really nice. I like the quality and the feel of them. I can feel while I'm wearing them that they're gonna be rugged and hold up for a long time. A way that they make these pants plenty breathable is there's actually zippered vents on the hips and down by your calves. So you have plenty of airflow moving through these, whether you are hiking on a trail or you're wearing them for travel, or even just everyday pants that you wear to whatever you're doing. They've got plenty of zippered pockets, including 2 on your legs that will expand when you put more things in there. One of the things that I really like about these pants are the tapered fit when it comes down to your ankles. That keeps me to be able to move freely and not have to worry about baggy pants. A lot of times when you start looking at hiking pants or any kind of outdoorsy adventure pants, they start to get really bulky and baggy and have the big cargo pockets. I don't like that. I don't want that. And I really like the way that these pants fit. Now, some things that really make these pants stand out is, like I said, the fabric that they're using. There's also an insulated layer in there, so if you're wearing these as you are out in the cold, these are gonna keep you nice and warm. These pants also have fabric molded zipper garages, so you're not gonna snag those zippers. They have cuff buckles at the bottom if you want them tighter, and it even comes with a nylon belt, so you don't have to worry about getting your regular belt wet. For me personally, I really like these pants. They're a little big on me. I think I probably would have gotten 1 size smaller and they would have fit really well. I do think that they're really good quality that's gonna last a long time, and I like the black and I really like the gray colors that they come in. The way to find out more information about these pants is to go to their website and sign up for updates on the Kickstarter regarding the Mogador pants. That's gonna give you information on pricing, when you can get them, colors, and any other questions that you may have. If you haven't already, make sure to stick around and subscribe to this channel for updates on camera gear, on tutorials, and all things camera. All right, guys, it's fun hanging out. We'll see you soon.